PTI, that's over. Yes. Now you are a candidate of CIC.
I would have been if they had allowed me to.
Just hold on. Now let's see whether CIC owns SIC owns you. आपने कोई अंडरटेकिंग इन्हें दी है कि ये आपके कैंडिडेट होंगी?
आप बस ये बयान दे दें कि
आप आए
बता दीजिए कि आपके कैंडिडेट।
Have you ever been contacted by this lady for a particular seat, a reserved seat for women?
Sir, I have to seek instructions.
अब देखें, अब सिचुएशन ये है,
ये स्टेटमेंट नहीं आपको मोड़ के पूछ।
अभी यहाँ पे पोजीशन ये कि आप ये यहाँ पे हमें ये कह रहे हैं, लर्न काउंसिल,
सलमान साहब,
मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ, आप ये कह रहे हैं कि जी SIC हमारे सामने, they are not owning you right now. You have, please, he's not owning you, no, he's not owning.
I'm neither owning nor disowning.
So हम कुछ आप लाएं, बोलें कि जी ये उनकी तरफ से अंडरटेकिंग है, उनने दी थी कि जी हम ये मेरी कैंडिडेट होंगी इस रिजर्व सीट। जब तक ये आपका नहीं आएगा थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है। Any lady can come up and say कि maybe I am the candidate, तो वो फिर बात बहुत खुल जाएगी।
बल्कि इसको थोड़ा बड़ा बल्कि इसको बड़ा
उधर आपने abandon कर दिया ना?
नहीं, abandon नहीं किया।
आपने कहा you want to join SIC ना?
I'm saying if SIC is allowed, then I will join SIC.
SIC ने अभी तक लिस्ट जमा नहीं की। अगर लिस्ट जमा करेंगे हो सकता है
अगर ना भी करें, वो सिर्फ इतना ओन आपको कर ले फिर आप आ सकते हैं।
सलमान साहब
say I assured the court I will get that certificate.
एक मिनट जरा सुन ले, देखिए
मुझे सुन ले, अगर उन क्वेश्चन
ले आए,
अगर SIC ने
लिस्ट ले आए, फिर
अभी within the hour आ जाएगी। Allow me to begin. Allow me to commence.
अगर आप SIC की लिस्ट उन्होंने जमा ही नहीं किया है, सुन ले एक मिनट, अगर SIC ने अपनी लिस्ट जमा नहीं की और SIC की पिटीशन अलाउ होती है तो आपको ज्वाइन कर देंगे।
जी, so SIC ने दरखास्त दी कि हमें लिस्ट देने दें, उनको देने नहीं दी गई।
अब आपने ये बातें कर ली, कितनी दफा कर ली?
मुझे आर्ग्यू करने दे, थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन
आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं, समझ नहीं आ रहा है। आप उनका केस तबाह करने पे आप करना चाहें, करिए तबाह उनका।
I don't know ये आप क्यों कह रही है, but
because you don't understand the concept. You think today I wear one tie, tomorrow I can wear another tie. सुन तो लीजिए ना, political affiliation is an important thing.
Yes, my lord.
Or it is not.
It is, my lord. It is. But I'm not going to argue at cross purposes.
तो political parties affiliation होना होता है।
आप सर्टिफिकेट इसी स्टेज के ऊपर लेंगे तो वो क्या करिए?
kindly read article, kindly read clause 2 of article 224 of the constitution.
Article 224.
Yes, clause 2.
When the National Assembly or a provincial assembly is dissolved, a general election to the assembly shall be held within a period of 90 days after the dissolution, and the results of the election shall be declared not later than 14 days after the conclusion of the polls.
Now let's relate this to what we have before us, namely paragraph D of the 51, which is of course proportionate to whatever it is.
Yes.
It seems to me that since the Constitution mandates, so I'm not sure exactly what happened in this general election because, but anyway, the constitutional mandate is that results have to be declared of the general election not later than 14 days after the conclusion of the polls. So that, as a matter of law, crystallizes the position of the proportional representation.
Quite.
Who at that time had filed the list for PTI? I mean, you were on the reserve list for PTI.
Yes, that was filed way back in December
So
2023.
it seems to me, prima facie, that since the right of PTI crystallized as a matter of law on the 14th day, your right to be considered if they were number crystallized at that point in time.
मैं ये आर्ग्यू करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. If I'm allowed to come to the questions of law, I bow.
अरे बात तो सुन लेना आप. माशाल्लाह, रुकना आजकल कोई बात.
अब अपने फेवर की बात भी नहीं सुन सकते.
Therefore, the question of locus standi prima facie seems answered.
Right, so
that you have a standing. Now the question is, you are standing before us how? My learned colleague, Justice Atul Minallah, has made, I think, a very practical observation that let us not get caught up in the technicalities of the matter, since as a matter of constitutional law, you seem to have the position seems to have crystallized for the reserved seats, and you being on the reserve list, seems to me that prima facie you do have standing to say, well, whatever it is you want to say.
I'm grateful for that observation. My humble plea is, hear me out and then let us see whether what I have to say makes out a cause of action on my part or not. And I bow completely that if your lordships were to come to the conclusion, and there is nothing stopping your lordship
If
from...
we allow you to argue, how long will you take?
My lord, an hour and 20
No
minutes.
way. If you can make a few points, you
But they're important
एक
issues.
तो आपको indulgence दें और फिर आप
It's
कह
not
रहे हैं मैं
indulgence,
घंटों
my
आर्ग्यू
lord.
करूंगा.
It is not indulgence.
Yes, it is indulgence. If you don't even concede it as indulgence, sorry to say, that is not fair.
No, my lord, my submission
you are
is,
in petition.
I am the person most impacted. मैं शुरू करने दें।
बार-बार आप वही बात कर रहे हैं.
मुझे शुरू करने
आपको
दें।
चंद मिनटों में कोई पॉइंट्स बताना हम नोट
मतलब
करेंगे.
मुझे शुरू करने
अगर
दें।
आप घंटों लगाएंगे हम आपको
No,
नहीं.
not घंटों, but maybe an hour or so. But
No, hour or so.
ये सलमान राजा
but
साहब
then I'll.
No, but
आप सुन लें,
we are
let us
giving you an
see.
indulgence.
So let us see if I
Why
have
don't you
something
start
useful
and
to
then we
say.
see how it
Yes, my
goes?
lord.
आप
Let
start
me
तो
start,
करें.
but I need
So
to
much
know
time
that
is
I have
taken up
some
in this.
time to make a...
Just
I would have
proceed with
done
your
half the case
argument.
by now,
आप
but...
शुरू करें फिर हम
आप शुरू
देखेंगे.
तो करें.
Abandon all work. सिर्फ
kindly
आपके
allow-
केस सुनेंगे हम.
Lord, I-
There are thousands of cases in the Supreme
Yes, my
Court.
lord, yes,
Have some
Lord.
pity on those people.
My lord, this is a foundational case of great importance to the future of democracy in this country. Now let me just make a few points and let's see where these points go then.
Give us your contentions first and then elaborate on it later.
And I will then submit a note as well. So my first submission is, and I'm now purely on the questions of law and the Constitution, that in Article 51(6), D and E, there is, in the text of these articles, no requirement whatsoever that an independent candidate join a party with at least one seat, directly one, at the time of the general election. There is nothing in the text.
आगे बढ़िए.
मुझे अर्ज करने दें सर. This requirement has been read into the text by both the Election Commission and the Peshawar High Court. And it would appear that this reading in has occurred because of a failure to appreciate the effect of the proviso in both these subclauses, D and E, and the use of the word secure.